Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dungeons & Dragons. First, gather a few friends and decide who will be the Dungeon Master. This person will narrate the story and control the world. Everyone else will create their own unique character, choosing a race and class. You'll need some dice, a character sheet, and a basic understanding of the rules to begin your epic journey. Creating your character is a fun and crucial step. You'll pick a race, which gives you certain traits, and a class, which defines your role. For example, a fighter excels in combat, while a wizard casts powerful spells. You'll then roll dice to determine your character's 6 core ability scores, like strength and intelligence, and record them on your character sheet. The Dungeon Master, or DM, is the heart of the game. They describe the fantastical world, its creatures, and the challenges your characters face. The DM acts as the storyteller, referee, and the voice of all non-player characters. Their job is to create an engaging and immersive experience, adapting to player choices and ensuring everyone has a great time. During gameplay, you'll describe what your character does, and the DM will tell you what happens. When an action's outcome is uncertain, you'll roll dice. For most actions, you'll roll a 20-sided die, or D20, add your character's relevant ability modifier, and try to beat a target number set by the DM. This determines success or failure in your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.